You guys have been waiting for this, and the wait is now over. Like, it's over. Like, I can't believe it. Like, it's finally here. The ability to send emails, real-time emails to those incoming leads. Let me give you a bit of some context of what the heck I'm even talking about, okay? So, if you don't know me really quick, my name is Guillermo Mata. I'm the CEO of this amazing community we call the Red Torrent Media Community, okay? You want to know why we named it the Red Torrent Media Community? Click on that link down below, book a call, tell you a little bit more about it. I was originally gonna put this video out to just to our real-time members that are on board, but I figured let me put this out to everybody. I want to encourage you all to really jump on this because we have some call centers right now, some guys that are doing some beautiful things, some beautiful work. They're not complaining about it. They're putting, plays into action. They're writing the play and then they're executing. It's beautiful. I love to see it. So, if you've been looking for a way to get in front of real-time leads for health insurance, auto insurance, opportunity seekers, like guys looking for opportunities, mortgage, loans, small businesses. It's going to be mixed small businesses. Some guys are just on the entrepreneurial journey. Some are actually active businesses, brick and mortars, mom and pop shops. I highly recommend that you book a call down below. Don't sleep on this. Like, I'm telling you, this is probably going to be like the last time I even put a video about this, because like I know what I have here and I don't need to really be putting it out like that. So to make a long story short, we're connected to a network that, in short, is able to provide us with real-time leads. Again, if you want to learn more, book a call down below. We can request millions and millions of leads. We can request as many leads as you want, as long as you can handle the calls and volumes and that kind of thing. They have many different network sites out there. They have their own little network, and these guys pump millions and millions of dollars worth of traffic into this little network. And they have various different ways of making money, but they also make money by selling me those leads and a bunch of other big time companies. Now, I'm happy to share more, but all you would need to do is just click on that link down below, book a call. That's it. All right. So that's just a bit of some context on what we got cooking up on this side. Okay. Stick around. I'm not done. I've done something really cool. Just stick around. Really quick. I know you're looking at this screenshot here, right? You have no clue. Like, we've been behind the scenes going crazy behind this, trying to work with Sendgrid, trying to get the email portion of this into our real-time lead flow here, and we finally have it available. So this is what you're looking at here, is our real-time master portal. Okay, this is where our guys are coming in to get those real-time leads. Now, for those of you who are on board, maybe you're not on board, I'm going to give you just a bit of some background. You would obviously go here, click on view leads. I can't click on the leads because I don't want to get blocked by the guys at YouTube. Okay, we love YouTube. So when you would click on that link that I showed you, you click download leads, and then you would have to reach out. That's no longer, you no longer need to do that, right? So you would download the leads, add them to your autoresponder, and go from there. You guys have been reaching out. You're like, gee, we need a way to automate because we're getting emails, but we got to download them. It's a bit of some legwork. Check this out. We now have the ability to send emails right from the master portal. Now, currently, because of the server space and, this costs us on our end, we could allow up to around 100 emails to send per day through your Sendgrid account, okay? And this is going to be huge because it adds to what we're already doing. Okay, so currently you're able to, through our real-time master portal, you're able to send a survey ad to these leads, and you could ask them a bunch of different questions. So instead of waiting and speculating on the data and measuring it out, you could ask them questions like, what do you like? What are you into? Are you a business? Yes or no? How much would you invest right now? Right? You get all that information, and you would get it all within our master portal, including the emails and all that fun stuff, right? So going back to what I was going to say is, like, you would download that lead, and then you would have to follow up and so on and so forth. But now you don't need to do any of that stuff, right? Now you could just choose, add a sender, contact list that you want to send to, set the date and time, headlines, and your email, and begin sending to those leads. So now you have another outlet. So not only are they getting that survey ad through text, I'm giving you too much context right now, but you're also able to email them as well. So that's going to be crazy, and I'm super excited for this. Obviously, none of this is going to be it's free to use, but we do have a one-time fee just because we have to pay our guys. Like, we used to do the freebie stuff, but we got to pay our guys. So just being transparent here. We do have an activation fee of $99. That's it. But once you pay that, like, it's yours. Like, you could send emails to those incoming leads as they're coming in for whatever vertical you might want to focus on. Okay. So simple. We would just need, just your name, sender name, sender email, and then your Sendgrid API. Click submit, and you're ready to rock and roll. You could even create a contact list and all that fun stuff through our master portal. So this is really, really exciting stuff. We were getting a lot of requests for this. So you can, even if you want, you don't need to do it. But again, you can download the leads, re-upload them from here, and then send through Sendgrid. You can do that as well. Okay. Now to get into the fun stuff, right? We've been getting a lot of emails. Gee, can you open it back up? I just been busy, yada yada yada. Listen, the excuses are over. You got 3 days now. I'm handing you 10,700 leads. If you're already on board, a lot of you have been picking up other accounts to just keep that lead flow up and coming. Very, very, just flowing through. Very smart. I'm going to give you 50% off. If you want 50% off, reach out to me, book an appointment down below. Okay. So this is for those of you, I want to be clear, who are already on board. Book a call down below. I'll give you that 50% off promo code, and you can take advantage of these 10,700 leads that you're now going to get on a separate account for maybe another vertical that you might want to try. Okay. So maybe the first one didn't work out. Maybe you might want to try another one. This game is all about testing, you guys. You always have to be testing in this game. Okay. If you learn anything today, or take it from me, you want to always be testing. Don't just think I sent to 5,000, I'm done, I'm gonna quit. No, you gotta keep testing, keep hitting it, keep executing. That's how you do good in this business. So if you're just fresh, you're just still like, I want to jump on this, I want to test out a couple of verticals that I have. Again, I left that direct link to this page down below. Check it out. You're now getting, originally it was 5,000. Now you're getting 10,700 leads. And that's pretty much it. Check it out. Check out some of our stats so you don't think I'm just making up stuff over here, just yapping, okay? Because I talk fast. No. Come check out the stats for yourself. Come look at the appointments we've been able to book. When we kicked this thing off during COVID, one of the first businesses that I closed was a pet grooming service. And that from there set everything off. We were booking calls. It's just been bananas ever since. So, but again, I want to remind you that you still do need a plan. Like, you still need to know who you're going after. You need to know your demographics, the vertical that you're going after. And you need to also be prepared for this, because you don't want to be doing this and not have the money to do it. You want to have that capital available. So in case you want to pick up another 5,000, we make that opportunity available to you. Okay. And so, yeah, that's pretty much it. Just kind of wanted to put this out there. New Sendgrid features out there. Jump on it right now if you have access. Jump into it. This is now live. We put this out there for our guys, but that is pretty much it. If you're interested in learning more, you want to learn more about this real-time lead flow, definitely click that link down below. I'm happy to jump on a call with you. You're not going to talk to anybody else. You're going to talk to me. I am the CEO of my company, Red Torrent Media. I do charge for my time. I'm a coach. I've been in this game before the world went digital. Prior to COVID, I've been doing this. So I charge for my time, as you should as well. I don't know how long you've been doing this, but I charge for my time. I don't play with that. But this is a chance for you and I to jump on a call for 30 minutes so I get a feel for your business and to see if you're even a fit for this. Because I've had some guys that we brought on board because they were prepared. But then I had some guys that they came on board and they just sucked at the execution. They just didn't want to execute. Lazy, just complaining, all emotional. So this is a game of consistency. You must always be executing all the time. So with that being said, have a blessed day. Click on that link down below and I'll speak to you soon. Take care.